Here's the procedure I use to fix my sidewalk and create a simple concrete ramp. I did this over the span of 3 days. First, I removed the old broken concrete and discarded it. Next, I used my grinder to make a ledge on the higher slab. Be careful and wear a mask. There is lots of dust. After, I used some Paver Clean degreaser to clean off the surface and let it dry. The next day, I poured some Planitop X concrete. This stuff sets very fast. You have about 5 minutes to work with it. Remember, do not overmix. You don't want it to be soupy. Slowly trowel your concrete on the sidewalk. Use a paintbrush with water to flatten the trowel lines. Now let it sit and wait a bit. Don't walk on it for at least a day. There are a few different ways to fix a sidewalk, but I found this worked best for me. Feel free to contact me with any questions.